kids, Shubhamangalam. Welcome to Maargdarshak Play School at Little Scholar High School. Today we will learn English children. My name is Mrs. Razina. I am taking English alphabets for you. Yes, alphabets. We will learn alphabets using straight line and sleeping line. Straight line and sleeping line. Yes, how to write straight line? Do you remember how to write straight line? Yes, this is standing line. Yes, up to down. This is which line is this? Standing line. From up to down we will write. Yes, once again we will write standing line from up to down. And sleeping line? Yes, from left to right. Sleeping line left to right. From left to right. So using this standing line, sleeping line, we will learn few letters today. Okay, few alphabets. Okay, this is standing line up to down. This is sleeping line. Yes, from left to right. Today we will learn using these lines. We will learn few letters. Okay, what is this? Which picture is this here? Yes, fish. Yes, which picture is this? Fish. Which picture is this? Fan. F for fish, F for fan. Come on, say F for fish, F for fan. How to write F? See the board carefully. How to write F? See, children. You will start from the red line. From where you will start writing? You will touch the red line and come down. You will touch the red line and come down to the second blue line. Yes, you should touch the red line and come down to second blue line. You will not write in this fourth line. You should write in 3 lines only. Okay. One standing line. Okay. One standing line and 2 sleeping lines. This is F. Capital F. One standing line and 2 sleeping lines. Capital F. Understood? Very easy, no children? Once again, come on, see the board. How we should write F. See. One standing line. Yes, one line standing. Then 2 sleeping lines for that. What is this? Capital F. What is this? Capital F. Understood, children? Once again we'll write. Yes. One standing line and 2 sleeping lines. This is capital S. Very easy, no children? For E, what we used to do? One more line also we used to write. Yes, 3 sleeping lines we used to write for E. Now 2 sleeping lines we will write for F. Once again, shall we learn how to write F? Yes. Say F for fish, F for fan. Say F for fish, F for fan. F for fish, F for fan. How to write F? Once again, see the board. One standing line up to down. One standing line up to down means till where? Till blue line only. Second blue line. Don't go to down red line. Don't go to down red line. From red line up red line to second blue line. Then 2 sleeping lines. One line red line. One line on the blue line. This is capital F. Say F for fish, F for fan. Got it, children? How to write? Now we will learn one more letter H. One more letter H. What is this? H for hut, H for house, H for horse. Okay. H for hut we can say, H for horse we have, H for house also we have. Yes, where we are living? We are living in our house, no? Yes, H for hut, H for house, H for horse. So horse, yes, everybody know horse animal? Yes. So now we will learn how to write letter H. Letter H. See carefully. One standing line up to down. Yes. From red line to second blue line and one more standing line. 2 standing lines. See how I wrote? 2 standing lines. How? 2 standing line and in between second blue line 1 sleeping line. This is H. This is H. Very easy, no? 2 standing line, 1 sleeping line. Once again shall we learn H? See here. Standing line from red line to second blue line. Yes. One more also same line from red line to blue line, red line to second blue line, standing line, and one sleeping line in between. This is capital H, big H. H for house, H for horse, H for hut. Shall we write once again? Yes. See, one standing line. Yes, you will not touch the fourth line. You will write only in 3 lines. Yes, you will write in 3 lines. One standing line from red line to second blue line. One more standing line from red line to second blue line. Both lines are equal now. Yes. Now one sleeping line in between. This is capital H. Once again. One standing line from red line to blue line. Red line to second blue line. One more standing line from red line to second blue line. Now after writing these 2 standing line, one sleeping line in between. This is capital H. H for hut, H for house, H for horse. Understood, children? This is the way of writing H. Which letter is this? We have learned now F. Which letter is this? H. Now, which picture is this here? Tree. What is this? Tree. What is this? Tap. T for tree. T for tap. T for table also. Okay. T for tree. T for tap. T for table. Once again say T for tree. T for tap. We all have taps at home. Yes, as you open the tap, what will come out? Water. No? So T for tree. T for tap. T for, one more what I told? T for teapot also we can say. T for table also. Yes. Now we will learn how to write letter T. Letter T. See. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. Write one sleeping line on the red line and one standing line from between. This is capital T, big T. Understood? Once again. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line and one standing line. This is capital T. Very easy, children. Yes. One standing line, one sleeping line. First we will write sleeping line on the red line. Sleeping line on the red line. Yes, like this. Sleeping line on the red line. Sleeping line on the red line. And from center between we will write one standing line down till second blue line. One standing line till second blue line. Once again shall we write? Yes. Red line, one standing line on the red line, one sleeping line on the red line, one sleeping line on the red line and one standing line to second blue line till second blue line. We should write, see here nowhere we used this fourth line. Yes children? Yes, we did not use fourth line here. We will use only 3 lines for these all letters. Understood? Now say which letter is this? F. Which letter is this? H. Which letter is this? T. Say F for fish, F for fan. Say once again. F for fish, F for fan. H for house, H for hut, H for horse. Next, T for tree, T for tap, T for teapot, T for table. Yes, these all letters we have written using standing line and sleeping line. Already we have learned some more words. Do you remember that words, children? Yes? Yes. Come on, say which words we have learned. We have learned capital I. We have learned capital I. Do you remember how to write capital I? Once again, see the board how we are writing capital I. See. One sleeping line, one sleeping line, one standing line and one more sleeping line. Which letter is this? I. We have already learned this. Yes? I. Once again. One sleeping line on the red line. One sleeping line on the red line. One standing line. Which letter is this, children? T. Which letter is this? T. If you write one more line here, sleeping line on the blue line, now it is I. Now it is I. And one more letter also we have learned on that day. Which letter is this? L. L for lion. L for lamp. I for ice cream. I for ice cream. So now we will write L. How to write L? See? One standing line till second blue line. Then on the second blue line, sleeping line. This is L. Yes? Once again. One standing line. One standing line and one sleeping line on the blue line. One sleeping line on the blue line. One standing line. One sleeping line on the blue line. Second blue line. And one more letter also we have learned on the day. Which letter is this? E. Which letter? E for elephant. We have learned how to write E. Come on, see. One standing line. Yes. One standing line and one sleeping line, two sleeping line. Which letter is this? F. Just now we have learned no F. If you write one more sleeping line, now it is E. Yes? Now it is E. Once again see. One standing line from red line to second blue line. Then on the red line, one sleeping line. First blue line, one sleeping line. And second blue line, one sleeping line. Which letter is this? E. These many letters you have learned using standing line and sleeping line. Yes, these many letters you have learned using standing line and sleeping line. See, which letter is this? F. Come on, now we will read the letters. Which letter is this? F. Capital F. Big F. Okay. Which letter is this? F. Capital F. Which letter? F. Capital F. This one F. This letter H. This one capital H. Capital H. Capital H. Capital T. Capital T. Capital T. And capital T. Understood? These three letters we have learned today. These letters we have already learned. Did you finish writing each letter 2 pages? I gave you homework, children. I letter I asked you to write 2 pages. Did you finish? L letter I asked you to write 2 pages. And E letter also I asked you to write two pages. Did you finish, children? Each letter you should write 2 pages. Yes. Your parents will divide the paper like this into 4 equal parts. 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 parts we got, no? Parents, please draw lines, draw straight lines and give to children. They will write on their own. Understood, children? Your parents will draw lines for you, these straight lines. They will divide the paper into 4 equal parts. So 4 times you should write. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4. So full paper, same letter, full complete paper you should write 1 letter. Today what is your homework? Already you have finished I, L, E, 2 pages. Yes, today you will write F 2 pages, H 2 pages and T 2 pages. Understood? Each letter 2 pages you should write. Today which letters we have learned? F. So F 2 pages. H also we have learned today how to write. So H also 2 pages. And T also 2 pages. Understood, children, your homework? Yes, once again now say F for fish, F for fan, F for fish, F for fan. Which letter is this? F. 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 H for hut, H for house, H for horse. H. Capital H. Capital H. Capital H. T for tree, T for tap, T for teapot, T for table. Capital T. How to write capital T? See the board. Capital T. Capital T. Capital T. So today we have learned F, H, T. Yes. These letters already we have learned. Once again read I. I, capital I. L, L, capital L. E, E, capital E. Understood, children? These all are letters using standing line and sleeping line. Did you understand your homework? Each letter 2 pages. F letter 2 papers, H letter 2 papers, T letter 2 pages. How you are going to write? You will write on the lines. Very neatly you will touch the line. Yes, how I am touching the line? You will touch the red line and you will start. Yes, in between the line you will not write. You will touch the lines and you will start. You will start from the red line and you will end on second blue line. Yes. Write it very neatly in a straight line. All the letters how it is on the board in a straight line. In the same way, do it in your classwork very neatly, children. Do your work neatly. Complete your homework. Each letter 2 pages. Thank you, children.